Hello everyone, welcome to ComfyEating. Today I'm going to make oatmeal cookies. Now this is a very simple and easy recipe that requires just a few ingredients. Now I don't know if you can call these sugar-free cookies because we will still be using honey as a sweetener. But if honey can be considered sugar-free, then yeah, let's go for that. First, to make these cookies, we will need to melt the butter. I'll be using 1/4 cup of butter. To this, we will add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and 3 tablespoons of honey. Now we are going to mix it all together until we get a very nice creamy consistency. To this mixture, we are going to add half cup of wheat flour, 1 cup of rolled oats. We're going to add 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. We're going to add 1 tablespoon of sliced roast almonds and 1 tablespoon of dried cranberries. We're going to mix them all into a very nice dough. Next, we are going to add some milk, just enough to bring the dough together. I've used here 2 tablespoons of milk. Now once our dough is ready, we are going to take small portions of the dough in our hand, roll them into a ball, and we are going to slightly press them with the hand and place them on a baking tray. And we are going to gently flatten them with the help of a bowl. And we are going to bake this for about 180 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes. I started making these cookies because I completely stopped buying store-bought ones and was always looking for a healthier and simple alternative. So I came across these recipes when I was searching for something online for a very simple and easy recipe. Now this one is super simple to make and almost all the ingredients are always available on hand. Plus this is so versatile because you can always mix and match the ingredients, like you can always swap the sweetener with date syrup, honey or jaggery. Or you can use whatever nuts you want, like almonds, walnut or whatever nut that is available. You can also replace the wheat flour with any flour you prefer, like almond flour, and still get great results. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. If yes, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching.